Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Aberdeen local and long-distance movers near me. Leaving a place where you have spent your life's most beloved memories is a difficult call to make, but this does not require you to leave all your belongings. Whether you're moving to a new state or a country, 3 Movers in Aberdeen will assist you everywhere. We ensure that all your items reach your new place on time without damage. Our team members are punctual and have served in the moving industry for a long time. You can speak with our team members any time of the day and get all your queries resolved. Getting a chance to move into your dream house or dream office, but seeing all the household stuff might be making you worry about shifting it all. Packing and unpacking everything, including sofas, beds, and dining, is not the work of one person. You need to hire professionals who are well versed in the area and know how to manage everything from packing to setting up your new place. 3 Movers in Aberdeen are the trusted movers and packers in the area who will ensure that all your belongings are carried away to the new location without any damage. In case if anything happens to your possession, we are ready to compensate for the loss. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Aberdeen moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.